ancestors gave me gifts to read cards, predict and heal. My name is Daphne, but spirit calls me Babylon. Angels communicate through numbers. Intuition is so deep.
Hi everyone! Welcome po sa inyong almost personal reading. I want you to know that this is a general reading, so you may resonate po sa buong reading na ito or baka konti lamang. Take what's only yours. I also want you to know that this is a timeless reading, no? So whenever you find the video, the message is meant to find you. Tingnan natin ang nangyayari sa paligid. Your first card is the Knight of Swords, followed by the Knight of Cups. So, nakikita natin ngayon yung polarity, no, ng flow, ng dynamic ninyo ni person. Nung una, siguro minamadali ni person itong relationship ninyo, parang sinasabi, parang kailangan maging tayo agad, no? Parang pinupuspusan, ano yung tawag doon yung minamadali? Puspos. Ganun na, minamadali. I don't know if puspos is actually a word. Minamadali ni person yung pagkakaroon ng relationship. But then again, nung naging kayo na, parang ngayon naman, binabagalan niya na maging sobrang seryoso kayo. So ngayon, parang hindi mo alam, ano ba itong nangyayari kay person ko? Parang hindi ko na siya naiintindihan at hindi ko alam kung ano yung intention niya ngayon sa relationship namin. Probably tinanong mo rin yung sarili mo dito, ano, na masama ba ugali ko? Kung kailan kami naging kami, parang bumagal, no? Hindi naman, wala naman akong ginagawa masama. Actually, parang tinupad ko lang yung hinihingi niya na maging kami. Ngayon kami na, bakit parang ganon? Bakit parang feeling ko, binabagalan ni person yung commitment, binabagalan ni person yung relasyon na ito. Hindi ko alam kung ano na yung pwedeng mangyari. Dati kasi sure ako na gusto niya maging kami. Ngayon, gusto niya ba idiretso ito or does my person still feels the same way? Or intentional na itong ginagawa niya para bumagal itong relasyon namin? So, in your heart space, the Five of Swords, so, parang unfair, no? Kasi, nung una nananahimik tayo, hindi ka, kumbaga, you may not be probably looking for love. You may be not, but then again, this person approached us. So, we give them what they wanted. And then, all of a sudden, parang you didn't start the whole things up. Ngayon, parang ikaw ngayon, lumalabas ngayon na parang ikaw ngayon yung naghahabol, ikaw ngayon yung kailangan mag-ayos nitong relationship, which I feel like you didn't even plan of doing this in the future, no? But then, again, here we are. So, parang nagulo yung isip natin. Nung una, ang tahitahimik ng buhay natin, di ba? Nung una, parang we're not even affected. Kaya umalis ka, no? Huwag mo kong pansinin, that's okay. Pero ngayon, we already invested time, energy, and efforts. So, with the Page of Cups, so ngayon parang tinitignan-tignan mo pa yung mga moves ni person online. Meron bang bagong inad, no? Na friend itong si person? Meron bang bagong nag-heart sa kanya? So, meron ba siyang iba? Meron, kumbaga, madami ng question, no? Yung parang dumadating sa isip mo at parang ngayon kini-question mo na rin yung patutunguhan, no, nitong relationship na ito. So, with the Three of Cups, of course, in your head na, syempre, we already invested. We would love to have, parang sabihin natin with the Three of Cups, di ba? We would love to have a celebration, siguro palapit na rin yung anniversary ninyo ni person, whether it is anniversary na naging kayo, or wedding anniversary, or kung ano pa man ito, it felt like, sandali, either mag-iisang taon na tayo, or pang ilang taon na natin to, ngayon ko lang na-feel yun, as if you don't wanna continue the relationship anymore. Wala namang heaviness yung mga gestures ni person that would direct to that perception of ours. However, yun na yung naiisip natin. Kahit hindi man niya direct ang sinasabi or pinapakita, wala tayong ibang way na parang destination no, nitong mga actions niya kung hindi gusto kang hiwalayan or tinatamad na si person. Now, with the Emperor, I think that you would love for your person to actually act maturely, magkaroon ng, sabihin nating, direction, no? Or sabihin mo sa akin kung anong gusto mo. Hindi yung parang everyday gigising ako, kinakabahan ako, ano ba yung pwedeng mangyari. Everyday gigising ako, parang hindi ko alam kung diretso ba ito, no? Sa isang committed relationship. Or kung pa-end na ito, bakit pa natin patatagalin? Although masakit, pero we can save at least someone else's time. Now with the Eight of Swords. Parang feeling ko, ayaw ka naman lumayo ni person, pero bakit ayaw niyang pumilos with the Queen of Swords? So, meron talaga ditong pointing fingers. Parang hindi niya inasahan daw na masyado ka mahigpit. So, ito ang retaliation ni person. Masyado ka mahigpit. Masyadong parang feeling niya nawala yung kanyang freedom. Ay, sandali na. Parang gusto kong anuhin yung person na ito. Gusto mo ng freedom, pero ba't ka nakipagrelasyon? Where in fact, you know that your freedom is not going to be 100% free dahil you're already joining someone else's world or you let that person to join your own world. So where is the freedom in there? No? The Four of Wands and the Ten of Swords. Wow! Napa-wow na lang ako. I think that your person here made a decision that you're not the one that they wanted to spend the life of that they want to spend their life with. Parang nag-iba ang kanyang perception simula nung naging kayo na. So iba yata ang, I don't know, parang meron itong pinapakita o inirereklamo about your attitude. So, with that being said, I think that your person here is hindi pa naman na-fall out of love, pero nababawasan yung pag-ibig. And I feel like medyo ayaw niya na parang ihinto para. Wala pa naman doon, pero that thought sumagi na sa isip niya. Yun nga, ang inireklamo is masyado ka daw mahigpit. And wow. So, this is your reading. Now, let's check the zodiac sign of your person. This can be their sun sign or a placement in their chart. Pero bago yan, kung kayo po ay nakaka-resonate, let me know sa comment section. Kung kayo po ay merong questions sa reading na ito, sa description box ng video na ito, there is a link. Click the link, you will be routed to my website. Nandun po yung name, number, QR code, amount per question. Take advantage of the 4 questions plus 1 kasi discounted po yun. And if you want to book a private reading, nandun din po siya. No? Now, let's check the zodiac sign of your person. This can be their sun sign or a placement in their charts. I'm seeing Aquarius, Libra, Leo, Aries, Gemini, Pisces, Cancer. This is your reading. Maraming salamat. Love and light. Namaste. See you po sa susunod na video. Goodbye.
You want the